Jazz, nagkaroon ka ba, like, natakot ka ba na parang, kasi di ba nung episode 3, nagkaroon kayo nga ng yung sa liftings nyo?
Alam mo, nung una, inisip ko yun after. Siguro yung fear ko lang is na hindi maka-bounce back si Sofia. More than anything. Ayoko kasi na makarga niya yung feelings ng disappointment in self. Maybe may naramdaman shame for the coach or for dance partner.
With Jasmine Curtis and Sofia Octaya.
But I think fear hindi masyado. Kasi I think yung mistakes na ganon really happens in performances and you just gotta keep going. I mean, di ba nga, in the entertainment business, the show must go on. Laging
Very
sinasabi.
sexy and fierce yung performance. And nakakonect agad kayo sa audience. Napaka-sexy nung prod. Pero syempre sa huli, may mga pangyayari na hindi naman natin inaasahan. Pero okay lang yun. Kasi ganun talaga yun. Ang importante is hindi kayo nagpatinag. Tinuloy niyo yung prod. So minsan, nangyayari yun, pero show must go on. And pinakita niyo pa rin yung kumpiyansa and yung dedication niyo para tapusin yung prod.
So, even when you make a small mistake, as long as you don't show the people,
Na
as long as
nagkamali.
you keep going, keep the face in your emote, kung ano man yun, sad, happy, corporate slaves tulad namin ni Sofia noon. Yun lang talaga kasi
So anytime, kahit sobrang perfect mo na, pwede ka pa rin magkamali. Okay lang magkamali. Basta lumalaban ka pa rin.
Salamat po.
ayokong kargahin ko rin yon and then worry about it while we're performing. Para at least chapter closed namin ni Sofia pareho and then keep going para road to winner.
Yes! For the winner.
Road to winner. It's part of it, but use it to build yourself back